This is the TLC 5940 16 channel LED driver. It has 16 outputs, each capable of sinking 150 milliamp of current and 350 milliamp of current in total. It is interfaced via an SPI bus, SIN, S clock and blank. With these three pins we can control the 16 LEDs. TLC 5940 has two resistors, grayscale and dot correction. Grayscale has a size of 192 bits, 12 into 16 channels, and dot correction has a size of 96 bits, 6 into 16 bits. Next is a current control pin IREF. Resistor connected between IREF and ground controls the current through all the channels. Next is GSCLK grayscale clock, which does capture and compare via its internal counters.
5940 controls the brightness of each LED through the grayscale resistor. The grayscale resistor is a 12-bit resistor. The 12-bit resistor gives us a total of 2 power 12 equals 4095 brightness steps for each LED. So we have written the library for the TLC 5940 in Code Composer Studio, for which the algorithm is as follows. The first step is to write to the dot correction resistor. The dot correction resistor determines how much current has to flow through each of the TLC 5940 pins. Register write action is performed by SPI write. Once the dot correction resistor has been filled, we move on to the grayscale cycle. Here we write to the grayscale resistor, which is a 12-bit resistor, and once the 12-bit resistor is full, then we pulse the grayscale clock pin. Each pulse of the grayscale clock pin initiates a capture and compare sequence in the grayscale counter. Once we have pulsed 4095 times, the grayscale counter is reset and PWM output is
TLC 5940 LED driver, which is an SPI slave of the TIVA C series microcontroller. We have 4 RGB LEDs, which is controlled by the TLC 5940, and we'll demonstrate the functionality of these LEDs. So we've logged on to serial and we've written our library for the TLC 5940 in Code Composer Studio. On serial, if you press 1, then there will be one color, and corresponding to 2 there will be another color, and so on. And here's how it works. This is green, and there's a fading effect which is caused by the grayscale pulse on the grayscale pin of the TLC 5940, and we can toggle through different colors based on the input given to the microcontroller. This is our primary mode lighting unit.
This is the high-power LED dimmable light system. TLC 5940 cannot sink a lot of current, so we have made a MOSFET circuit to drive this power LED system. This MOSFET CSD18503 KCS is capable of handling 60 volt drain source voltage and 100 amp drain current. We have a BC547 transistor which acts as a overcurrent protection mechanism. If the base emitter voltage across the BC547 goes beyond 0.57 volts, it will conduct and prevent the damage of the power supply or TLC 5940. This is the implementation of our high power LED MOSFET current driver. This is our MOSFET circuit. This is the TIVA launchpad controlling through the TLC 5940 PWM LED driver. As I change the values in the terminal, the brightness of the LEDs changes.
Maximum brightness, intermediate and minimum. In the future we'll have this set up in all houses and control the light according to the ambient light present in the house. The TPL9202 is an 8-channel relay driver. It has 8 output pins from out 1 to out 8. It has under voltage protection pin called the brownout pin. It has SPI bus programmability. So basically how the TPL9202 works is, it syncs current when you write to one of the corresponding bits to the output. So supposing we have to turn on the relay at pin 8. So what we do is we write the number 256, which corresponds to a bit 1 in the 8th position of the register. This is how the SPI timing diagram looks like. So we have the number 8 in MSB first format. So when we want to write it, we have to pull the NCS pin, which is a chip select pin, low, and then pulse the clock pulse 8 times, and then we write in the bit 1 at the 8th position. Immediately what follows is the pin 8 will start syncing current, turning on the relay. We have envisioned a house wherein all communications occur wirelessly. So in order to make this possible, we have used the NRF24L01 transceiver. It is a 2.4 GHz transceiver with several features such as 2 Mbps data rate, ultra low power operation, automatic packet handling, 6 data peg multi-receiver, and SPI operation. So basically we have written the library in Code Composer Studio for this. The house has various units such as the indoor, outdoor and master control unit. To make the communication possible in an efficient manner, we have prescribed this RF mesh network as shown.